Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying service eligibility and getting the right hardware. Once confirmed, acquire a dedicated 5G mobile hotspot or 5G router and insert the activated 5G SIM into it. Power the device, wait for the 5G indicator to lock, and then create a secure Wi-Fi SSID and strong password. Make sure to note APN settings if the carrier requires manual entry. This method gives your 4G phone internet over the carrier's 5G network via Wi-Fi, so you get faster bandwidth without changing your handset. Next, focus on configuration and placement to maximize throughput. Access the hotspot's admin portal, confirm APN, and apply any firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cap speeds. Once done, position the device where signal strength is strongest, typically near a window and elevated, so the 5G antenna sees the tower. Make sure to enable a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or a dedicated SSID for your phone to reduce local congestion. Finally, test different channels and toggle carrier aggregation features if available to squeeze out consistent performance. To finish, validate the setup with a few speed and latency tests so you know you're actually using 5G backhaul. Once done, enable Wi-Fi calling on your 4G phone and reconnect messaging apps so voice and data flow over the hotspot. Monitor data usage and set alerts to prevent overages. If connectivity fails, reboot the hotspot and phone, ensure the hotspot SIM is active and provisioned for 5G, and install any pending firmware. These simple steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.